In the heart of the forest, a legend lies forgotten. Time and nature claimed it, but the spirit endures. A sleeping giant, lost in silence. But not for long. We don't see damage, we see destiny. Handle it with care. This is history. From the woods to the world, rebirth begins. Welcome to where legends come back to life. Perfection leaves no gaps. Crafted by hand, stitched with pride. Clarity begins at the front, every inch sealed in flawless precision. Four masterpieces ready to meet the road. Elegance engineered in motion. Each turn measured, every detail aligned to perfection. Precision begins with light, every detail a promise of brilliance. Precision meets patience, every line aligned to the millimeter. Each stroke of gold breathes luxury, transforming metal into pure art. Where precision meets brilliance, the Phantom's crown reborn in gold. Every touch point transformed. Every reflection refined. The Phantom now sees the world in luxury. From ruin to royalty, the phantom returns. Every curve whispers perfection, where presence meets peace. The city sees it and stares. A ghost resurrected in black and chrome. This is not just power, it's poetry.